Oh no. Hold on, guys. We have a problem. Hold on a sec. All right, guys, you have to give me a second here. We're gonna try to get our screens back up. We had a power outage, and it's gonna take me a second here just to get this charge back up. All right, I think we got one chart up. Let me get the next one. Give me a sec. Okay. All right, we're gonna stick with these two windows for now. I gotta reset all my windows later. Sorry about that, guys. A little bit out of my control. Had a power outage, and yeah, we're here. We're back. All right, I don't know what this market wants to do. She's chopping here so hard, giving us so many mixed signals here. She's looking like she wants to go higher. Looks like she wants to go lower. She is all over the place today. All over the place. Okay. Yeah, looks like we might be getting a move. Might be getting a move lower. Don't know yet. Not 100% confirmed yet. All right, we'll just try this. We got a quick signal here. So you might want to dump off a cliff. We'll see. We'll see. Trying to get these tunes back on here. My videos can never get monetized, of course. Copyrights all over the place. I didn't even have that music on that loud today. I'm already getting copyright strikes. Oh, Lord. What can I play? I need to play something in the background. It's too quiet in here. Man, this price action is so choppy right now. Okay, we're good. How are you guys making out? You guys okay in this chop? Hopefully you guys are doing okay. All right, all right. All right, all right. Let's see, let's see. What you doing in here, NQ? What you doing in here, girl? What you doing in here, girl? Yeah, it looks like she might push down all the way to 924. Could be a 924 hit. We'll see. Might be getting a confirmation here of additional absorption by the bears. Okay, let's look at the higher time frames here. All right, higher time frames are also putting in a bearish indication here. Possibly. She's back and forth here, though. She's back and forth. Oh no, that is not a. This is not a. That was not a 6 or a 12. Now we're on a 6 and 12. Yeah, when your computer completely restarts, all your charts are all over the place. Oh, we just came right up to it, huh? Don't do me like that, NQ. Don't do me like that, girl. All right, look at that one. Okay. Yeah, she's gonna drop here like a rock. I think I might be interested in adding to this trade. I'm thinking about adding to this trade, limit 3 possibly, if we can get a pop back up. All right, we'll see. She might go to VWAP 876 level. Could be possible. With this NQ choppiness. NQ choppiness. Thank you, Mo. Appreciate you, man. Thanks for coming back, man. My power went out. And that was not a good look for me. We might be adding to this trade soon. She might be holding this area. I don't know if you guys have this on your chart too. I don't know if you guys have this on your chart, but she might be holding this area. We'll see. She may want that VWAP again. Okay. Let's see what we got on the 3. What we're cooking here. Just gonna TP here and just try to get into a better trade afterwards if we yeah. So if we get down here to 892, I'll just TP there. I don't know if we're gonna come back up here to the level here to add to the trade. Yeah, we're just gonna we'll wait for the next one. Yeah, this could be a nice drop here. Yeah, let's look at the beginning of the end here. This could be the beginning of the end, guys. Holy smokes. Super chop. Might be putting in the bear flag here. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Still too early to tell. The 2 and the 3 minutes still haven't really shown me much here. Let me see why. Oh, I know why. Oh, no. No, she's good. Yeah, looks like she's going to stop us out here at break even. At least she wanted to. She wanted to. She thought. The bulls are stepping in here, though. Bulls are trying to absorb this level. I don't know if they're going to hold, but they're going to try. We might be interested in going into another short here if we get some confirmations on the 2 or the 3 minute. We'll see. Yeah, they're trying their hardest right here to build this support. They're trying really hard to build this support. I don't know if they can, though. I mean, today has been a real bullish day, right? So I wouldn't be surprised if they go to yesterday's low still. But that VWAP looks so juicy for them to tap into. That VWAP looks like they just want it. They're trying to make it look strong here, guys. Be careful. They might reverse it all the way back up here, but I'm not sure if they're done with the downside yet. Still trying. They're still trying. Let me take a look at the 6 and the 12. This looks like a huge, on the 12 minute, looks like a huge bull flag. Check it out. Look at this 12 minute. It looks like a huge bull. Even though it's shaped wrong, it's supposed to be kind of leaning downward. That's the only thing that's kind of got me thinking that we still got some more room to go down, maybe to the VWAP. Because usually a bull flag is shaping down. So this is either going to be a short squeeze or it's going to be a Bart Simpson pattern here. We're going to have spikes and nasty drop to the downside. Looks like it might be going there. Right now she's giving us mixed signals. She got wicks to the upside, wicks to the downside. Oops, sorry, you guys can't see that. My fault. My fault. I forgot you guys didn't have those charts. My fault, guys. My fault. You guys don't have those charts up right now. We're going to have to wait on that. All right, look like the longs might be coming in soon. I don't know. All right, looks like the sellers are possibly getting stronger here. I'm gonna have to add it. I'm gonna have to add here in 10 seconds. All right, I'm gonna add to my trade here. Could be wrong, but I'm gonna just add it to it. What's up, Doreska? How you doing? Hope you're doing well. All right, we'll take it off right there. Very nice little dump. very nice little dump. All right, let's see what she does next. That was very strange. I don't know where that power outage came from. We're not having bad weather right now. That was very weird. She wants that VWAP, guys. She wants that VWAP. Watch it. Three minutes giving us a confirmation too for the dump. It's looking pretty nasty. Managed to start trading on a free account. Am I in profit? But I am in profit. But I got a DOA tutorial. Do a tutorial on it. Was so eager to trade on it. Well, congratulations, and I'm sure you'll do well with it. I'm sure you'll do well. Just blew my eval. That was almost passed. Ah, man. Sorry to hear that, Corey. Timmy, what's up, brother? God bless you too, my friend. Yeah, that stinks. I'm sorry to hear that, Corey. Well, if it makes you feel any better, if I can console you in any way, I'm red on the day right now. We're red on the day. Trading View says, is that the real Trading View? Blue 356? What does that mean? We have a bot? Are we getting botted right now? Take a loss or two and close the app? Yeah, maybe, perhaps. Oh, look at the NQ here. She's dumping. This might be a continuation dump. It's very likely it could be. $905, $906. I might want to take a trade at like $906. Yeah, we might get a pull into the high into the 905, 910 region. We might get a pull back into there. And I'm thinking about shorting this market around here again. On a live count, I was up in profit. Wanted to add a few $100 to it. In the end, I gave it all back, and the trailing DD got me. I'm sorry to hear that, Doreska. Time for that dropout, City. Yeah, Hoyt. I'm watching paint dry right now. Gotta wait to do the other side of the cabinet. Oh, you're really watching paint dry? I thought you meant the market was like watching paint dry. You're really watching the paint dry. That's hilarious. Yeah, so I'm watching this area for a possible absorption back up. Well, when I say that, I mean this area here. I think it could keep price down. We'll see. We haven't tapped the VWAP yet, so she may want that still. Not 100% sure yet. You're up 2,500 on your valuation, Mr. Hoyt. Beautiful. Actual paint, says Timmy. Man, you guys are busy, man. Yeah, you guys stay busy. All right, looks like we are getting a rejection here. I don't know if it's over yet, though. I still got my order at 911, 911. I got a 5 micro limit order there. Blow accounts and buy more resets, or go on the practice account and practice, and then buy another reset. There you go. That makes sense too. Yeah, I think she wants to try that. I think she wants to try this trend line again. I really do. That's why I got an order here at 911. Looks like it's gonna tap soon. Oh, she's getting dangerously close. My limit order is here at 911. My stop will be slightly above this area. It's getting very close. That was really close. I think we'll get it. Oh man, she just missed me. She just missed me. Sheesh. She just missed me, guys. Should I chase? I think we might get another opportunity at it. I'll wait for the 2 minute to confirm. Once the 2 minute confirms me, then I'll know what to do. Man, that sucks. You just missed me by a few ticks there. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, that sucks. Man, that was such a nice trade too. She went as high as 910.50. I was at 911. Well, there goes that trade. There goes that trade. Circle back and wait. Hey Siri, set an alarm for 12:30.
I set your alarm for 12:30 p.m.
Wow. She's giving us a little pump here. Alright, I'm going to try the short. And we're going to try it. Risking 112. Let's see, 876 is where the VWAP is. I would say right there. Let's see if we can get this hit. Can I have a wrench so I can boot the bot? You don't like the bot, bro? Oh, come on. You're dirty. Oh, NQ, you're so dirty. It looks like we're going to get stopped here. Oh, wait, what did I just do? What did I just do here? I don't know what I just did. I pressed the wrong button. I went short on it. Oh, Lord. So dirty. I tried to press the one button. I ended up pressing a trade button. Yeah, that was a filthy move by the NQ. We'll get the next one. Yeah, she's going to take her time to go down to that VWAP. She's like, I'll do it when I'm ready, not when you're ready. I was once called a bot because you have a, because you're, what's it called? Because you have a wrench. I think the wrench means that you're a moderator. What's up, Hasuni? Looks like the market may want to go higher here. That's strange. Wow. Look at the filth. The filth, guys. Yeah, might be looking for a short up here somewhere. Shenanigans right before the VWAP. That's what she does. I want this lower so I can buy against this, Paul. Okay. Good idea, Paul. It's going to be a tough call here, guys. It looks like it wants to go higher. But it also looks like this last candle here was manipulation, so they might come back to clean it up. I don't know if they want to tap the VWAP because they're putting in some pretty strong signals right now, so it would have to close, this candle would have to close under here for it to look very bearish. Right now she's closing pretty bullish. Strange. Looks like bulls are stepping in. Very strange price action. You got the VWAP there, and they know the VWAP is there. They know that VWAP is there. But they don't care. We're going to be a little patient on this move. Alright, what is this blue 356 thing? Alright, All right, we're taking this trading view bot out of here. Oh, I know what you're talking about, Timmy. The bot, that bot. I thought you meant the other bot. Never mind. Good call, Timmy. Yeah, looks like they want higher, don't they? Hmm. Yeah, very strange. Price action is looking weird. See what direction they want to go in. One trader said that the market jumped up and grabbed liquidity to drop some more. Yeah. I think that could be what she's doing. All right, let's see if she actually wants to go to 79. 79 would be right by the VWAP, right near the beach. Let's see if that's what she wants. She's testing that area though. That area's got some support. This area's got support. See, we got 79. We'll take her off right there. She's acting a little bit foolish. The ultimate spill. What happened? Said Antonio. Oh, I don't know what you mean. She was bullish, now she's bearish. One trader said, yep, the ultimate spill. The 19847 next CP for the short, 19847. Yeah, she has to make it past the VWAP first. We'll see what she does. All right, I'll circle back here. I mean, what happened to the stream? Oh, my power went out. I don't know, man. That was the strangest thing. My power went out. We don't even have bad weather right now. It's sunny outside. So I have no idea, to be honest with you. Oh, my Lord. Good thing we took profits. Ay, ay, ay. Hi, Chihuahua. Holy moly's. I think that's a great time for me to use the restroom. Thank God we TP'd, man. Gap fill reversal, fellas. Yeah, that's what it was. Whoa, she's still pumping? Holy smokes. What is this about? Oh, do we got news? It has to be news, right? Breaking. Beijing considered fentanyl offer to U.S. to begin trade talks. Wall Street Journal. Beijing considers fentanyl offer to U.S. to begin trade talks. Oh, okay. All right. We got news. Wow. Paul, it's too late, man. It's too late, bro. It's too late, man. Just end it. End the stream. Just stop trading now. Oh, wow. This is crazy. It's so pumpy. Good thing we TP'd where we did. It's so funny how she just hung us out to dry right here. Like, everyone was like, yeah, we're going to get the VWAP. We got to get the VWAP. We're going to have to... And then she just ran off. Holy smokes. That is not cool. That is not cool, EQ. I took profits from my trade from the lows, and I wanted to get back in. Yeah. Man, this is long. It's crazy. Congratulations to Popeye. Popeye is in a long from the sevens, from the 700s. Look how this looks. Textbook. So what do we got here? 156. Oh, we got much more to go. A measured move would be right up here. We're up to 20,100. That's where a measured move would go. That's crazy. Isn't that crazy, Vinny? Is that my cousin Vinny? Wow, man. Guys, what was that? So Beijing is ready to start talking. Hopefully that's not fake news. Trump, USMCA, actually very effective. People have to follow USMCA. What is USMCA? What is USMCA? Imagine she gives this whole candle back. That'd be pretty funny too. Wow. What's the ATR now? ATR now is 18. Before that it was 11. So it jumped a little bit. Ken SPM Carney says, we're looking for opportunities to work together with the U.S. Transitional step. I don't know what they're talking about. I have no idea what they're talking about. That was crazy. What a move. Wow. I'm getting a bit of a pullback here too. What do you guys think? I could see them taking this whole candle back for sure. Imagine. Imagine if they did. Used to be NAFTA. Turbo Skeeter. United States, Mexico, Canada agreement. Oh, that's what that is? It used to be NAFTA, right? I didn't know they changed the name. That's news to me. I learn something new every day. Trump just loves changing the name of things. I might try the short. It's crazy. I say that, but I might. We negotiated the garbage. Oh yeah, North American Free Trade Agreement, NAFTA. You guys know what Nasatol is? Nasatol. LAFTA, NAFTA. You should rename yourself LAFTA. to left and after. All right, this looks like it might be actually a long now. I might have to buy this. All right, I'm taking a long here, guys. Could get wrecked, but we'll see. Here's my trade, guys. Could get wrecked, but I've been wrecked this morning already enough times. Wouldn't be surprised if I get wrecked one more time. Maybe Trump will call Mar-a-Lago the new White House. Could be. Yeah, it looks like we're about to get wrecked. Hold on, guys. Hey, what you gonna do, NQ? You gonna go up? There's buyers or sellers? What is it? What do we got? We got buyers or sellers? What did he want from you? What did he want from you? Why green? Green why? Because it looks like China's ready to make a deal. China says, let's make a deal. Yeah, they need to knock off that fentanyl stuff anyway, man. That fentanyl stuff is killing way too many people. Way too many people. Way too many kids are dying from that fentanyl stuff, man. So in Jesus' name, man, let that be the case, man. There's too many lives at stake. Come on, baby, push higher, push higher, man. We got a deal coming up. Come on, NQ. There's a deal coming, baby. There's a deal around the corner. There's a deal. There's a juicy deal. Come on, baby. Push that sucker. Push her. Push that sucker, NQ. Come on, NQ. We got a China deal coming. China. Come on, baby. I don't know what you're doing, but you're scaring me. You're scaring me, NQ. Please pick a side. Why didn't you take my TP? My TP was right there. You missed me by a tickaroo. You missed me by one tick. How dare you? How dare you? Don't do it again. Don't you do it again, NQ. Oh, you're scaring me. I can't look. Oh, yeah, stupid, NQ. You're so stupid, NQ. She missed me by a tick just to stop me up. Doesn't have the news. This is definitely one of those days that BTC is waiting for permission from NQ. Yeah. I can't believe she just took my stop there. That was so dirty. She was a tick away. A literal tick away from my TP. And here we go, retracing the entire candle. Nice job. Nice job. We could have had that, NQ. We could have had that. No deal, says China. No deal. No deal. Deal's off the table. Let me see. I want friendship with Canada, says Trump. We're friends with Canada. Man, this is crazy. I don't necessarily negotiate with... Oh, my God. Man, what is going on? I think Trump is talking right now. Is Trump live right now?
You would know if I bet, I could tell you that they want to meet, but, you know, we are right now, look, they're suffering greatly. Their economy is suffering greatly because they're not doing trade with the U.S. And
can you guys hear that?
they made most of their money off the U.S. Don't kid yourself. They don't make the money off other countries like this. And they were making, we had a trade imbalance, we had a deficit, or they had a surplus, another way of saying it, of more than $1 trillion. Think of it, more than $1 trillion. And because of 145%, that's the only reason, but because of, they have now 145% tariff, there's no trading. You can't trade with 145%. We are, therefore, making, in a certain way, I guess, $1.1 trillion. In other words, we're not losing $1.1 trillion. Our deficit is much better.
Why does his audio sound like that?
Started, I say we were losing billions of dollars a day on trade. That's rapidly turning around. We looked at numbers this morning. So we were losing, the United States during Biden was losing more than, I won't even give you numbers because they're so embarrassing, but billions of dollars a day on trade. Those numbers are rapidly turning between the tariffs. Don't forget, We're now getting 25% on cars, 25% on aluminum.
That was so dirty.
25%
NQ
on
took
steel,
stopped.
and maybe more
Didn't give me a
importantly,
payout by a tick.
Massive numbers of
By a
companies are
tick.
moving into the
Then she
United
went to stop me.
States. Honda, we have
NQ, you're so dirty.
tremendous. The car companies are moving in at levels we've never seen before.
Yeah, that was horrible.
The biggest
All right,
investment
well, we
ever made
are
in the
retracing the
United
entire
States is
candle,
being made
just like
right now.
as I mentioned to you guys
Trillions
earlier.
of
That'd be
dollars.
something if we retrace
I
this
would say
entire
we
move.
could be at nine.
And there she goes.
$9 trillion.
There she
You
goes.
could go back to other presidents. They haven't had
Man, I can't
$1
believe we missed
trillion
that by a tick.
for their entire
That
term.
one hurt the most today.
Look at Biden.
That
He
was
had
the one that hurt the most.
Bad numbers. People are leaving. They weren't
Out of
coming
all.
in. They were leaving with
What was
Biden.
that one?
And he didn't know the difference. The only thing he
There
knew
was
is
that one.
people coming in. You know
What
who they
moves, though?
were?
What moves?
Illegal
They
immigrants.
have moves like Jagger.
Okay, from prisons, from mental institutions, from all sorts of places that weren't.
Maybe now
good,
should
from
tap the
gangs,
VWAP.
From Venezuela. They were coming in and they were criminals and
Oh
murderers.
man,
11,888
Trump's destroying China's economy.
people
I don't
that
know. Is
murdered,
that
and
is
at
that the
least
case,
half
or is
of
it the
them
other way
murdered
around?
More than one person.
Oh
This is
Lord.
what Biden led into our country.
Talk
I'm
about
bringing in big
catfish. Yeah,
companies.
man, I got catfish.
We
brother.
have Apple is investing
Look at this.
$500 billion.
Look at this.
We
You
have,
you can't get into
Jensen,
these
as you know, is
positions.
gonna be 500
You can't get into these
biggest chip
positions.
maker.
They're just they're
Chip
messing
thinker,
around. They're
I
taking
call
advantage.
him.
They're taking
He's
full
really a
advantage of this
thinker
Trump
more than a
talk right
maker.
now.
But we also have the maker, Mr. Wei. I get to know them all in the last. It was a cram course, but they're all moving into America because of the tariffs. And
Yeah, you can't even. This is untradeable.
I don't think people have appreciated it. Some people do. Some of the smart people do. So we
What
have more
Trump on
money.
about? He's
coming
talking
in.
to
It's really an
Carney.
amazing thing. We have more money being invested in
And
the United
he's
States
talking a
now
lot of
than
stuff,
at any
and
time
the market's
ever
reacting
before
to
in
it.
our history.
Of course,
and
on
it's
the day
not
when
even
there's no
and I
news.
think the real number could be 9
Moves
or 10
quickly up and
trillion.
down,
We don't know
mine,
everybody
will
that's
reverse
doing
quickly
it. We have
towards the
many. I
contrary
just heard
trend,
about
yeah.
a plant that's being built right now.
Been
Very,
along
very
around
top
here,
of the
it
line
will
company.
take all those
And they
late
didn't come
longs.
to the White House. They're just doing it because they're making it because if they build here, there are no tariffs.
You
And
think
this
she'll
is the
hold?
big market. This is the market. That sets us apart from it. This is the market where everyone wants to be. Now, if I didn't come here and do this,
Well, it's going
all
long
of a
here.
sudden we wouldn't be the market where everyone wants to be. So we're able to do it in time. But we're going to have a great announcement, and I'm not necessarily saying it's on trade. Going to the beginning, we're going to have a great announcement over the next few days, an announcement that will be so incredible, so positive. And I'm not saying, I don't want you to think it's necessarily on trade. Just to finish, we also have a situation, because everyone says, when are you going to sign deals? We don't have to sign deals. We could sign 25 deals right now, Howard, if we wanted. We don't have to sign deals. They have to sign deals with us. They want a piece of our market. We don't want a piece of their market. We don't care about their market. They want a piece of our market. So we can just sit down, and I'll do this at some point over the next 2 weeks. And I'll sit with Howard and Scott.
Come on, NQ. You owe me, baby. You owe me. She's gonna stop me out again.
Fronts.
All right, NQ.
But
I
JD
get it,
will
I
be
get it.
there, and Marco, and we're going to sit down, and we're going to put very fair numbers down, and we're going to say, here's what this country, what we want, and congratulations, we have a deal. And they'll either say, great, and they'll start shopping, or they'll say, not good, we're not going to do it. And I said, that's okay, you don't have to shop. Now, we may think, well, they have a right, that maybe we were a little bit wrong, so we'll adjust it. And then you people will say, oh, it's so chaotic. No, we're flexible.
Yeah, let's see.
But we'll sit down, and we'll, at some point, in some cases, we'll sign some deals. It's much less important than what I'm talking about. For the most part, we're just going to put down a
lot
number
of,
and say, this is what
volatility
you're
came
gonna
back
pay
into
to
the market
shop.
with Trump
And
talking
It's going to
here.
be a very fair number. It'll be a low number.
There
We're
was
not
really no
looking to hurt
announcement. He's just
countries.
talking.
We want to help countries. We want to be
He's talking
friendly
good
with
about the
countries. But you keep
American
writing about deals. When are
treaty
we gonna sign?
between
When? It's very
North
simple.
America,
We're
South
gonna
America,
say,
or should I say Mexico and
in some
Canada?
cases, we want you to open up your country.
He's talking positively
In some
about that.
cases, we want you to drop your tariffs. I mean, India, as an example, has one of the highest tariffs in the world. We're not going to put up with that. And they've agreed already to drop it. They'll drop it to nothing. They've already agreed. They would have never done that for anybody else but me. So we're going to put down some numbers, and we're going to say our country is open for business. And they're going to come in, and they're going to pay for the
I don't know
privilege
what the
of
heck they're
being
gonna do
able
here.
to shop in the United States of America. It's very simple. It's very simple. So I wish they'd keep, stop asking, how many deals are you signing this week? Because one day we'll come and we'll give you 100 deals. And they don't have to sign. All they have to do is say, oh, we'll start sending our ships right now to pick up whatever we want or to bring whatever we want. It's very, very simple. And I think my people haven't made it clear. We will sign some deals, but much bigger than that is we're going to put down the price that people are going to have to pay to shop in the United States. Think of us as a super luxury store, a store that has the goods. You're going to come and you're going to pay a price, and we're going to give you a very good price. We're going to make very good deals, and in some cases we'll adjust. But that's where it is. And we've been ripped off by everybody for 50 years, and we're just not going to do that anymore. We can't do that. And we can't let any country do that to us. We're just not going to do it anymore.
Can you tell us a bit more about the deal that you've reached with the
No, it's not a deal. They've said, please don't bomb us anymore, and we're not going to attack your ships.
And where did you hear about that?
It doesn't matter where I hear. The very good source.
Question
very,
time.
Very good source. Would you say, Marco? I would say
Depending on what he says here on his
JD.
questions, we're going to get an up
Very
or
good
down.
source. No, they don't want to be. They don't want to be. They don't want to be bombed anymore. You know. Sort of thought that would happen. No, no, behind you, please. From what pact? No, it's fine. It's there. It's good.
China yelling at
We
the
use it for
scientists,
certain
we
things.
need
It's
a
there.
more
The
powerful weapon
USMCA
than
is a good deal
fentanyl.
for
Oh, yeah,
everybody.
imagine. What's more powerful than that?
I
Just a
won't say
little
this
bit will
about
kill like
Mark,
a
but I
horse.
didn't like his predecessor. I didn't like a person that worked for. She was terrible, actually.
Worse
She
than
was a
Agent
terrible
Orange.
person, and she really hurt that deal very badly because she tried to take advantage of the deal and she didn't get away with it. You know what I'm talking about. But so you know, we had a bad relationship having to do with the fact that we disagreed with the way they viewed the deal, and we ended it. You know, we ended that relationship pretty much. The USMCA is great for all countries. It's good for all countries. We do have a negotiation
Guys, I have to
coming
go.
up
I have a
over the next
chiropractor's
year or
appointment.
so
I'll see you guys back
to
here.
adjust it or
Good luck, man.
terminate it.
Guys, be careful. There's volatility. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning at 9.
I'll say a word on USMCA.
Take care and God
Mr.
bless, guys.
President.
Okay?
It is a
I'll
basis
see you guys
for a broader
tomorrow.
negotiation. Some things about it are going